Can AI trading agents really help you make more money, or is it all hype? Today, I'm breaking down exactly how AI agents are reshaping trading strategies and unlocking opportunities you might be missing. Welcome to FinTech Bot Focused, where we discuss, dissect, and implement all things automated trading. If you're into AI, FinTech, and smart trading strategies, make sure to subscribe for honest insights and actionable tips. Advanced data analysis. The power of speed and depth. AI agents process massive amounts of market data faster than any human possibly could. They uncover patterns, trends, and anomalies in real time, things that would take humans hours, if not days, to spot. This means you're acting on data-backed trading signals, not just your gut. Think of it as having a team of analysts working 24/7 for you, but way faster. Predictive capabilities. Trading ahead of the curve. AI agents don't just react, they forecast. Analyze historical data and current market behavior to predict potential price moves. Give traders the edge to position early, instead of chasing after trends. The best trades happen before the crowd arrives, and AI helps you get there first. Automating complex strategies hands-off, multi-strategy execution. From scalping to arbitrage to swing trading, AI agents handle complex strategies effortlessly. Execute multiple strategies at once without burning out. Automate tasks that would overwhelm even a seasoned trader. Emotion-free trading. Remove the weakest link. Human emotion, fear, greed, hesitation. Human emotions are a trader's worst enemy. AI agents solve this by making purely data-driven decisions without hesitation, sticking to the strategy even during volatile market swings. AI agents don't panic just because Twitter is freaking out. Adaptive learning, evolving with the market. Some AI agents go a step further with machine learning, constantly improving as the market changes. Why this is huge. They adapt, refine, and optimize themselves over time. Your strategy evolves instead of becoming outdated. Markets change, and smart AI agents learn to ride the waves. AI agents bring serious advantages to the table: speed, data-backed decisions, emotion-free execution, adaptability. But remember, they're powerful tools, not magic money printers. Success comes from understanding how to use them effectively. Have you used AI agents in your trading yet? Are they helping, or are you still figuring them out? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear your experiences. And if you found this valuable, hit like, subscribe, and join me here at FinTech Bot Focused for more automated trading wisdom.